All right, it is March 4th in Ohio. It's 70 degrees outside. What's up, bub? You having fun out here? I'm going to put the wheels on this generator. Basically, you just slide the wheels on with these pins and then cotter pins, and then the front has two pegs that just get screwed on. So I got to get this thing jacked up safely somehow so I can get underneath of it, which I think is going to be easy. So I'll video that. Someone needs some advice on that. So I'm going to set up and come back. 225 pounds. So I think I'm just going to lift it up. Get a piece of wood underneath there. Just a handle. And then screw these legs in. So I got to put these two bad boys on. Here. Third hand out here. Look at that. Now all I was going to do is put these pegs on. It's probably heavier from the other side. Wonder if I should do the other side first with the wheels. I think I'm gonna do the wheel side first, because that's how I roll. It's gonna be tight on my balance. Just for reference, there's no written instructions on how to do this. There's just a diagram. So pin goes through wheel, washer goes on, slides through, and then you slam one of these bad boys on. Pretty cut and dry if you ask me. This thing slides on. Oh, that's cake. In through, washer. Close up on this. Cake. We're gonna go to the other side. I just gotta find a spot where, oh, these are way under here. So I'm gonna have to come this way. Come on, baby. Close. Hey, Jen, can you come help me for a second? Got to call in the reinforcements. I just need you to lift up on this just a tiny bit. Straight up. Are you okay?
It's heavy.
Okay, a little slow, real slow. Set it down real slow. Oh, okay, you're good, all the way down. Okay, you're good, thanks. Okay, this one blind. I'm going to get these pretty tight because this thing's going to be vibrating. And I don't want the screws to fall out. They actually give you a tool for this. This is just a jump wrench. Looks like I can get one in. Doing this the hard way without my helper. I wonder how long it's going to take before I have to call her. Nope, got it. Got that one too. What's up? Come on, baby. All right, 10 millimeter. Hit the like and subscribe button if this helped you out. I just have to pull this piece of wood out and I'll be done. All right. Again, if this helped you out, hit the like and subscribe button. Boing.